Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a pair of earbuds. They're called Ceramics X. They have a bunch of features. We have LDAC, ELC, LLR, 10-hour playtime right here. Of course, with the charging case we get up to 50 hours. ANC, active noise cancellation, 55 decibels. This is how the box looks like. Have some features on the back. So 10mm carbon based ceramic diaphragm, wind noise reduction design, hi-fi equalizer, and 54 milliseconds low latency, which is pretty good. What we get inside, we get the earbuds, we get a charging case, we get a USB Type-C cable, user manual, and of course some spare ear tips. And also, if you want to download their app, either on Apple App Store or Google Play, you can find them at Roselink, and you can get to equalize the earbuds and so on. So yeah, basically pretty much this is the box. We are going to go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside and how everything looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, pretty much this is what we get. We have an instruction manual. Give this a read to learn what these earbuds can do. They have also included some spare silicone tips to adjust for different ear sizes. So we have small, medium and large. I'm pretty sure they already come in with medium pre-attached. We have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable used for charging the case. If you want to charge the case, the Type-C port is right here on the bottom, and I think the cable length it's 10 or 15 centimeters, so it's not very long, but it's nice to have because you can always carry it with you. And these are the earbuds right here. I like the design of the case. Actually, it has a really glossy design. It looks really great and it feels really great as well. It's got a nice weight to it. We have a power button right here on the bottom. So when you press that, the earbuds will start charging. I think they will start charging by themselves. You can press it to check the battery life. Right now it's on green, as you can see. If you want to open and see the earbuds, have the earbuds right here with a flick. Open and close is magnetic, so it will stay there. So once we have it open, we can pull up the earbuds. So we have they're magnetic attached, so they quite hard to get out with one hand. So we have the earbuds. Of course, if you peel up the blue film, you will reveal the charging pins, which are used to charge the earbuds from the case. And yeah, this is the left one and that's the right one. They look really great and really tiny, by the way. I'm surprised they have so much technology and everything inside this small package. I'm actually surprised. They feel really lightweight as well. So yeah, they just go nice in your ear. The small design, it's nice because honestly I don't really like bulky earbuds, like either very heavy or very large. I feel like these are just perfect, exactly how I like them. And yeah, they're magnetic, so if you want to put them back in a case, let's see if we can do that with one hand. Probably. There we go. And of course, as I said, if you peel up the blue film, they will start charging, but I'm not going to do that now because this is just an unboxing video. So if you guys want to buy these earbuds, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.